Welcome to Cosmetri, the software for cosmetics businesses. Cosmetri provides manufacturers with easy-to-use tools for managing production and for complying with cosmetics good manufacturing practices ISO 22716. For a video introduction and full details of our GMP module, visit www.cosmetri.com/GMP. Add a manufacturing order by selecting an approved production mode formula. Setup of the order requires only a few seconds, entering the required date of manufacture and production amount. In the Configure tab, configure any tests or procedures that must be successfully completed before the order can be approved. These can be lab-type tests or pre-built checklists, ensuring that the production team adhere to any standard operating procedures. Fast dispense of the order includes alerts for insufficient inventory. Only approved raw material batches with available inventory are displayed, with the possibility to dispense from multiple batches if required. A dispense list is generated, while your batch ticket for the order can be viewed or downloaded from the orders list, along with any other product documents, such as an SOP or working instruction. Once the order has been manufactured, update the status accordingly and set the date and time of manufacture. If samples of the batch need to be taken, you can print barcoded labels for identifying the samples. In the Approve tab, you can also enter any retained samples for conducting challenge tests. This includes the option to deduct the sample quantity from the amount of bulk product yielded. Each retained sample has its own QA workflow where you can perform stability testing. Before the manufacturing order can be approved, all test results in the Approve tab must be entered and each test successfully passed. Once approved, if you've configured packaging sets, the packout stage requires only that you enter the number of each container size filled. Click on the Pack Out button and all required packaging inventory will be calculated. A packaging dossier is compiled for each packed-out manufacturing order, showing the inventory used, and a printable pick list for the dispatch team. Search, filter, and view all your production history, along with the status of each manufacturing order. A batch protocol is generated for each product batch, as well as detailed reports of all in-process, manufactured bulk, and stability testing. Cosmetri's manufacturing features enable batch traceability and continual compliance monitoring between batches of your product. You'll be alerted by the compliance checker if any compliance data or documents are missing, such as an SDS document that is required for a new raw material batch used for production. For companies with a requirement to integrate their product manager workflow and data with third-party accounting, ERP, or MRP software, our technical team are happy to advise as to the current options available or to discuss any custom integration requirements. To find out more about how Cosmetri supports cosmetics manufacturers, visit us at www.cosmetri.com. Cosmetri, the software for cosmetics businesses.